Okay, now we have another student, and his name is Dipanshu. So first, introduce yourself.
My name is Deepak Kumar. I belong to the college Mantola. As far as my qualification is concerned, I read in class 6. My hobby is playing cricket. My dream to be a police.
My dream is to be a policeman. Okay. How many months you have completed here?
5 months.
5 months. Do you remember since when have you been learning here?
I
Since
think,
December, January, February.
I think 22nd December.
I think since 22nd December 2024. Okay. So have you improved your English?
Yes.
Are you able to talk in English?
Yes.
Can you speak?
Yes.
Yes, I can.
Yes, I can.
So do you use English in your school?
Yes. Yes, yeah.
Okay. Why are you learning English? Because a lot of students do not learn English, do not read English, even from Bihar board. They do not, learn English. So why are you learning? Because you are spending more money, extra money. Those some students do not read, and you read. So they do not read. So we will not spend money. You are spending money as well as time. Why are you learning here? Not here only. Why are you learning English?
Because anywhere is speaking English,
Okay.
exam English,
Okay.
and after that asking English.
Okay. And anywhere you talk and anywhere if you go, so just whatever written in English, so you can understand and read and understand.
Yes.
And okay. And apart from, what things can you do with the help of English? With the help of English, you can go to abroad. Abroad means foreign country apart from India. You can travel all over the world with the help of English. Even if you prepare for exams, so mostly I would like to prefer English medium, and English medium students mostly get success in any kind of exams. So you also would like to go with English medium, and you also like English medium, and that's why you are learning English here. So that's why I am learning English.
That's why
I am learning
I
English
am learning English here.
here. Okay, not here. Anywhere you can learn. Okay. How many members in your family?
6.
Speak. There are
There are 6 members in my family.
who?
My father, mother, and my grandmother, and my brother, and sister, and I.
Okay. You have brother as well.
Yes.
What name?
Deepak.
Deepak. He is elder or younger?
Yes.
Elder. Elder means elder.
Yes.
Okay. Do you remember Vapam?
Yes. So many.
Okay, try. What is the second form of right?
The second form right is division.
No.
No.
The third form of steel.
The third form of steel is stolen.
Stolen. Okay.
Complete, sir.
That's it. What is the second form of choose?
The second form of choose is chosen.
Okay. Speak 5 advice. What should we do? So what should you do while learning English? Suppose you have to make me understand. If you want to speak English, so what should you do?
You should read.
Okay.
You should practice. You should use English anywhere.
Okay.
You should help anyone. You should not ride a motorcycle. You should teaching. You should read here.
No, don't speak. You should not ride bike. I want to know while learning English. While learning English, what things you should do? You should read every day. You should practice every day. You should use English everywhere. You should read whatever is written anywhere, and you should understand that whatever you use, you eat, and that packet, whatever is written there, try to read and understand. Okay. Do you remember all the? You are from batch A. So in batch A, I think 2 chapters have been completed in what format is, and third chapter is going on. about practitioner, various practitioner. So tell me all the doctors' name.
I wrote from my book, my notebook has fallen into my and I made the
Take from your sister notebook and write down and remember from your sister's notebook, but you did not do. Just do, okay. Up next Sunday I will ask you again.